Introducing the Speedy 100 Cross, the first industrial-grade diode laser plotter for precision marking and cutting. Mark, engrave, and cut with ease. Enjoy razor-sharp precision and crystal-clear results across a wide range of materials. Streamline your workflow for small to medium production runs. Save time, cut costs, get more done with less effort. Designed for low maintenance and simple operation, it's the perfect solution for industrial part marking, product personalizations, educational use. From QR codes and serial numbers to detailed, intricate designs, built with safety in mind, it operates securely, even in busy environments. And with a 610 by 305 millimeters or 24 by 12 inches working area, you've got the space to bring your ideas to life. Whether it's a complex project or a simple task, the Speedy 100 Cross delivers versatility and accuracy every time.